Hello everyone and welcome back to the GSMaholic. Today we're diving into a series of insane rugged smartphones. Oukitel, one of the leading manufacturers of rugged electronics, has just released its brand new Oukitel WP100 5G, a phone that feels less like a smartphone and more like a survival tool built for people who spend serious time outdoors. And trust me, this phone is a real monster. We're talking about a 33,000 mAh battery, 200 megapixel main camera, 1200 lumen capping light built right in, and even a laser rangefinder up to 40 meters and much more. This thing is packed to the brim, so let's start from the very beginning with the unboxing. The box itself immediately sets the tone, tough, rugged, with the industrial matte finish that hints the device is built for adventure. Opening it up, the first thing you'll see is the phone sitting inside, followed by the usual paperwork and a user manual. Digging deeper, you will find a powerful 66-volt fast charger, a sturdy USB-C cable and even a leather strap with the screws, which you can attach directly to the phone to get a better grip on this massive device. That's everything included in this box, so let's turn our attention to the smartphone itself. Now on the right side of the phone in the metal frame, it's only a power button. It also serves as a fingerprint scanner, which is fast and accurate. On the other side we have a lot of it, have a tray for 2 nano SIM cards. The following are 2 round metal buttons, which serve as volume controls for intuitive user experience. Directly beneath these buttons are a duo of additional shortcut keys await your command. Both keys can be programmed so that with them you can start certain applications or a function inside this smartphone. Each of these keys can start 3 different functions with one click, double click or long press, which is in total of 6 options that you can launch with them. Moving on the button, hidden beneath a robust rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistance, you discover USB Type-C charging port. On the top of this phone we find the built-in laser rangefinder or distance meter. It's a feature you almost never see on the smartphones, and here it comes as a real surprise. Let me explain right away so that there is no confusion. This WP100 has a built-in laser for measuring range, while another model almost identical for this one, which we reviewed earlier, the WP100 Titan, on the other hand, instead of this laser rangefinder offers a laser projector, which makes a difference from this model we have today, so that is the main difference between the WP Titan and this WP100. On the back down there is a holes in which there is a very loud speakers with a volume of as much of 130 decibels. Now, first impressions, this thing is a massive beast, but the weight of this device actually gives its personality. While many today's phones are thin and light for the point of appearing fragile, the WP100 leaves a completely different impression. It feels strong, robust and almost indestructible, as if you have a piece of technology in your hand that is built to last. This solidity not only instills confidence but also amplifies that this is a phone for people who expect more, for those who want the device is not just a decoration but also a reliable tool in any situations. And the thickness is justified because inside this WP100 sits one of the largest batteries ever fitted into a smartphone, a 33,000 mAh monster battery, giving you power that lasts for days and days without even thinking about a charger. Its armored shell, reinforced corners and full certifications making dustproof, waterproof and drop resistance. Whenever you are on construction site or trekking through the wild, this phone can take a beating and keep going. Every inch of this phone screams durability and precision. The fit and the finish feel premium in their own rugged way, and the bold design definitely stands out. This isn't just technology, it's craftsmanship you can feel and rely on. And then there is this monster of the flashlight, 1200 lumens, built right into the back. It's more like carrying a professional torch than just a phone light, which offers even 1500 LEDs placed into this compact space. Though the interface you can load up to the camping light, which gives you access to a range of different functions. For the lamp, the light offers multiple modes including the full brightness, 50% or 25% strobe or SOS, providing versatility to suit various needs. As previously mentioned, inside this phone is that monster 33,000 mAh battery, which can fast charge at 66 watts. What's more, it also enables 18-watt reverse charging capability, can utilize this phone as a portable power bank, which could be useful. This huge battery enables continuous 49 hours of video playback, 289 hours of talk time. It offers impressive standby time of over 6 months and 6 days and guarantees the longest lasting battery life on endless outdoor adventures without worrying about running out of the power. Now moving on, up above this massive LED light is an impressive array of triple camera systems. The camera setup on the WP100 features an incredible 200 megapixel main sensor, 20 megapixel night vision lens and a 2 megapixel macro camera supported by LED flash. The 200 megapixel Sony IMX350 sensor captures incredible details with impressive clarity enhanced by AI image processing for consistently sharp results. The 20 megapixel night vision camera ensures clear shots in low light conditions, while the macro lens lets you explore the finer details up close. For video, the WP100 records up to 4K resolution, delivering crisp and detailed footage. Now, to truly appreciate the camera capabilities, check out some sample photos and videos taken with the Oukitel WP100. So let's take a look. I don't know if you can see it, but the screen is truly exceptional, establishing a new benchmark for visual perfection. The WP100 boasts impressive large 6.8-inch FHD Plus display with a rapid 120Hz refresh rate and a 1080 by 2460 pixels. Resolution protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Up there is excellent 32-megapixel front camera located at the top of the screen in a hole, ideal for selfie portraits and video calls, complemented by the facial recognition feature. With a 650 nits of brightness ensuring optimal visibility under variety lighting conditions including sunlight. The image quality on this screen is really good, offering wide viewing angles, vibrant colors and crystal clear content reproduction distinguish itself with superior quality. For enthusiasts of multimedia content, the WP100 presents a fantastic expansive display that enhances the video watching and the content consumption experience. At the heart of the WP100 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor built in 4nm technology. With 8 cores, clock up to 2.5 GHz, this chipset combined with 12GB of RAM including 24GB of virtual RAM ultimately provides incredible 36GB of RAM, which further ensures the fast and fluid user experience without any slowdowns. And with a generous 512GB of internal memory, it provides enough space for all those who need additional storage for photos, videos and other multimedia content. The G650 MC2 GPU provides a decent graphics even in the most demanding games. During gaming, the phone delivers a smooth experience on medium to high settings with minimal heating thanks to the efficient cooling. All in all, this could be a real gaming smartphone, effective for hardcore gaming for those who are addicted to it. With the enormous 33,000 mAh battery, this phone is built to last. Even with the heavy gaming use, you can expect the phone to last for hours and hours without needing to recharge. The phone is equipped with the latest Android 14, providing you with a clean and bloatware-free experience. It comes equipped with all Google applications and its integrated features, AI functions. Of course, it supports a global 5G connectivity, which means you can enjoy blazing fast internet speeds, smooth streaming and faster data downloads. The phone also offers impressive wireless connectivity options. It's equipped with the Wi-Fi 6E, the latest Wi-Fi standard. Navigation is a critical feature for outdoor adventures, and the WP100 has you covered. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou and many other satellites are supported for navigation, meaning you always have accurate data whether you are in urban areas or out in the wild. Let's not forget to mention that this phone is designed for the most extreme conditions with IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD810H certifications, making it completely resistant to dust, water and shocks. It has been tested to strictly military standards and has withstood immersion in the water up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. This durability makes it ideal for adventurers, construction workers and anyone who needs a rugged phone that can withstand harsh conditions. The Oukitel WP100 is a true beast of the smartphone. Its rugged constructions make it fully resistant to water, dust and drops, while the massive 33,000 mAh battery keeps you going for days and days without worry. The 200 megapixel main camera captures breathtaking details, and the 40-meter laser rangefinder adds an impressive professional touch to the outdoor adventures. Built for those who refuse to compromise, combines power, durability and versatility into the unstoppable device. If you're impressed by its unique look, great features and capabilities of this phone, and I know you are after this review, don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing. Grab your Oukitel WP100 now and enjoy 20% off using the official coupon code at the sale link. Don't miss the chance to get your hands on this powerful phone today. Thank you for watching, feel free to click like, and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.